Freedom! We're at the house. Finally, something car related. With a lot of time stuck inside, you spend a lot of time looking at car parts, buying car parts. Got me gas! Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Of course you can't see it. It's down there. Got me gas. It is the best day today. It's beautiful outside. Got my purge bottle. Quick rummage through Dan's toolbox, found a fitting that will suffice for now. Also, courtesy Dan, bit of blue pipe. And you've got to go to there. And I can do my old knobbing over here. Lovely. Just need something to sit on. Dan's got some new tyres over there. Also, Dan's got a Lotus Elise seat over there. So there's another bit. Uncut hair. It's been locked down. Very important. Got some tin foil. Because I'm purging, I'm just going to use it to block the ends. I haven't got any posh purging pipe and silicone jobbies. A bit tight, so I'm just going to use a bit of tin foil. I'll bang that on the end. A few holes in the end. And then a bit more for this end. Nice. Sharpen my tungsten, put the lid on, we're away. Let's see how that goes. Always put the lid back on because you knock it over. Dan's here. Alright. He's out of shot.
Nice. If it works.
I don't know if it's working yet, I haven't looked inside. Always put the lid back on. How you even said? To me, it looks alright. I've glued it together, Dan. On a stick.
Rainbow stick.
Glued it. You know what we cannot do now? We cannot stick it to the car.
Yeah.
Because it's like one more video where they don't know what the engine is.
True, got to get that content.
Like more than 10 views per video before we do an engine review. Ow, ow, ow. It's still warm. And I'll make sure it's still flush. Don't know where my fingers need to be. Got any bandsaw blade? Fit.
It is specifically for cutting some metal boys.
Are you going to be much better at picking that up than I am?
Probably.
Oh, it's not plugged in. Well, maybe it was. It's just... Way. It's not a fabrication channel, or is it? I don't know. Do we need to do how-tos on pie cuts? I think that's pretty much been YouTubed already. Wait, that's not the right angle, is it? That's that custom pie cut we made at the end. Cut to... Oh, hang on. Does that thing work? Where like you say, cut to it being done, and then it's done. Change that to 9 degrees.
No, you have to do this, look.
Or 10 joins, or 10 angles. I don't know, it works something, because there's 9 on each side, so that's 18, and then you need 1 on each. Behind the scenes, turns out, clicking does fuck all. You have to do it behind the camera, and then start it again.
But everyone clicks and it does it.
Yeah, but like, that's what I thought. You actually have to like do it, and then record again. It's not
Maybe you need like a certain amount of subscribers before the click works.
Fucking hope so. Subscribe. Cut to the click thing. Cut to. There's an angle finder here somewhere. You guys should tidy your unit.
Yeah, but we kind of know where stuff is.
If I tidied it, I definitely wouldn't have a clue. There's a mark there, and on 180 degrees is actually the weld line, because this is cheap pipe and it's welded. And then you line that up with a little mark on the saw, and then you cut this way, and then you cut this way, and then you cut this way, and then you cut, and repeat, and you go round and around.
And that's how you do a pie cut.
It's nearly my birthday, Dan.
Is
Are you
it?
going to get an angle finder out when you cut my birthday cake?
Well, you don't really cut a caterpillar cake into angles.
We could pie cut the caterpillar cake, and then it could
True.
it could go around the corner.
Yeah, because caterpillars can't do that.
I just flipped my hair. I think I'm overdue a haircut.
You reckon?
Yeah. It's been locked down.
I'll bring my trimmers in.
No. I look like you. Oh, it's stuck. Great. Health and safety. Yeah, actually that was it. Cut that last little section of pipe into pie cuts, just so there's a few left for doing the rest of the exhaust. And I went home. Not very good at recording an outro. Not very good at recording anything. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Tell me where I'm going wrong. It's video number 1 really. Let's be honest. The other 2 don't count. More build content is coming. It is. Subscribe. This is where the subscribe banner goes. Probably in front of my face. Before you go, I'll put the little thing up here. There it is. Click on it. Nice.